Welcome to my video. My name is Chong Hui Yi and my metric number is 29224. My lecturer is Dr. Muhammad Adan bin Omar. Today I would like to show you the regripping process by using the grip changing machine. Why we need to regripping your club? Because it may be damaged or too old to use. The first step is clean your grip with a clean cloth. The next, put the club at this vise in the middle and horizontally in this vise. After that, lock it firmly so it doesn't move and put a container under the club so that you will keep your floor clean when you're doing the regripping. Next, to remove the old grip, you need a sharp cutter to cut out the grip, but do not too deep until the actual shaft, just until the tape underneath of the grip. The next step is pry off the old grip by using a screwdriver or your finger. Drip some grip solvent onto it so you can easily to remove the old grip. Next, peel the tape out by using a straight razor or your fingers. The grip solvent can be the petrol or the thinner. After peel off the tape, you just use the clean cloth to clean the shaft. Next, you put the double side tape on the same place and peel off the double side tape and make it like touch the shaft. Apply a grip solvent onto the new tape and then also put a grip solvent into a new grip, but remember using a T or a thing that can block the grip so that the grip solvent would not leak out from the new grip. Next, slide in the new grip into the shaft. Because of the grip solvent, the grip will be easily to slide into the shaft. And make sure not slide too deep or too inside the shaft, because if you too deep or too inside, the shaft may broken the grip and you need to regripping again. Remove the pin or the T just now on the new grip and do all this work on this container so to avoid the mess. Make sure the grip is aligned with the logo is straight to the club before the glue is dry. That means we have finished our regripping process. Then we need to take the club out from the vise and leave the club dry a full day and leave it and dry a full day at here. Thank you.